Hello, here we are doing month 6 of Noella Mae's Pup Box. Come here, honey. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. Check out the new look. Yeah, honey. Oh, yeah, there's probably some good stuff in there. And let's see. Spring cleaning, some tips. It's snowing pretty bad here, so we haven't quite seen spring yet. All right, so training and development for your 6-month-old puppy. We got exercise and stimulate, keep them pretty, teaching puppy self-control, loose leash walking, a look inside your box, and some tips. All right. Let's see what we got here. It looks very colorful. All right. Let's see. Okay. Well, honey, we gotta let's see. Oh, look, some puppy shampoo. Oh, and it's got lavender. Let's see. This is a rope toy. Oh, it's a rope lead. The way she chews through stuff. Always use another one. Let's see. It's an ultrasonic toy. I wonder what that is. Let's see. It says, "Try me, the only silent squeaker only your dog can hear." Wonder how long it'll take before she chews that up. Let's see. Where's the squeaker? Oh, it's got shoe guard. Go get it. Oh, go get it. No, squeaker that. Oh, look at this cute little thing. Oh, she loves rubber toys. Oh, I wonder if it's like a treat thing. Let's see what we got. Oh, turn it over. Let's see. We have treat hiding. Squeaky head, floaty water toy. Oh, this will be one of her favorites. I'm sure she loves rubber toys. Oh, more poop bags. Could never have too many poop bags. And then coconut flavored barkers. That's yummy. All right. Well, thanks for watching.